emergency food includes cookies. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. They are MRE cookies, cookie chocolate crunch peanut butter with chocolate chips. That sounds delicious. What you can see here is we get a full tray of them, and this is 37 ounces, and it's a 27 cookie tray. Now, you know I love my MREs, my emergency food. There's always reason to have it. You never know when a pandemic or an emergency is going to break out. And so that means you can actually have delicious food and not just food that's going to keep you alive. Now, I have reviewed in the past the oatmeal cookies, and I'm assuming that these chocolate chip cookies are going to be kind of similar with some of their traits. Now, first thing, before we get into this, I want to show you that you get this plastic base here. All the cookies are kind of stacked in rows here, and you get this typical MRE material covering it. I have never been able to peel this off. Now, I'm sure in a pinch you could, but there's just not enough of a tab here to peel it off, and it's really sealed in there. So I'm going to use this. You can use any kind of knife to just kind of tear open the corner and get into it. Now, because there are so many cookies, you probably want to eat these in a sitting with a bunch of other people who are with you. And you can see the cookies right in here as I pull this away. Look at those. I can smell them. Now, MRE cookies, cookies that are meant to be shelf stable for a long period of time, are usually pretty dry. There's no moisture in them. That's one of the things you want to avoid. And they tend to be kind of crumbly and crunchy, if that makes some sense. So it's kind of what you would expect, you know, like a store-bought cookie, but not like a soft bake, you know. And I want to show you here. First of all, it looks pretty good. It has a definite aroma. You can see all the peanut butter and the chocolate chips in there. You can see it's pretty thick, and it's actually a fairly decent sized cookie. And as I mentioned, I think it's going to be kind of dry. I'm going to try to break it there. Now, it's not snapping and shattering, but pretty dry. I think this is actually softer than the oatmeal ones. Pretty good. So these are the peanut butter bits in there. Definitely taste them. Big chunks of chocolate. Oh, you know what? These don't taste like emergency MRE cookies. I tell you what, if you put these out on a cookie tray at your next outdoor picnic or barbecue, and people were eating these, they think they were just like your typical store-bought peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Neither the chocolate nor the peanut butter is overwhelming or overpowering. They're just pretty good and pretty healthy size. 27 of these cookies in here. Feeds a bunch of people. Listen. If you're looking for emergency food, I think you should absolutely stock this. If you're going out on your next camping trip, going on a big hike, taking some people with you, this is a great way to finish off a meal, because it's going to be a decadent treat out in the middle of nowhere. And for the purposes of research, I'm going to finish this cookie. Hey, if you want to pick these up, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.